How to make money online. For some, online income seems almost impossible or difficult, but if we look around, we see a lot of people who make all their money online. This is not only impossible but much easier than any other type of business. Online businesses don't need any money. This advantage makes the risk of working online much lower than other businesses. In this video, we want to tell you some ways you can use them to make money online. The key to success is patience and effort. You are not going to make money after a week. Most people who fail to grow their online business are those who get tired and frustrated too soon. Making money online can be easy if you are creative and don't get bored quickly and keep trying. You have to be careful not to be fooled by the wrong ads. Many of the ads that tell you can get rich are completely wrong, and try to avoid this type of advertising. The methods we tell you do not require any investment, and only with effort and creativity you can make money from these methods. If you haven't subscribed to us yet, please do so, and ring the bell, so you don't miss our new videos. Google Adsense. Google Adsense is one of Google's free advertising services that allow you to place any type of multimedia ad on your website and earn money by displaying this ad. Try to make a website. Attract your audience by producing content. And finally, make money by registering and placing Google AdSense ads on your site. It's good to know that there are currently about 15 million websites that display Google AdSense ads. In the future, we will try to make a video about Google AdSense and explain it. Affiliate marketing. Another way you can make money is to promote and sell products from other online stores. You can earn money on your own blog or YouTube channel by promoting the products of other online stores such as Amazon or eBay. The system of this type of marketing is that by placing a special link for your users, you lead them to buy that product, and you will receive a commission from the online store. If you can make a large audience, this is one of the most lucrative ways to make money online. Online courses. You probably have skills that you don't even know how much money you can make with that. There are all kinds of people on the internet, and there are definitely some who want to learn what you know. You can start teaching in any field of information or skills. Start using social media to introduce people to your skills and knowledge, create online courses, and make money from that. Content creation. You can set up the best and most beautiful site in the world, but when there is no interesting content in it, you have wasted your time. Content creation for websites is always in demand. Content creation can be writing an article, gathering information, and organizing it. Website admins have several definitions for content creation. For some, it means a 300 to 400 word text that they want to publish on their website to introduce a movie, and for someone else, it's a 1,500 word article that needs to be written professionally. So content creation is different for different contexts. When you learn the basics of content creation, it's much easier to make money from it. Build your own online store. This is probably the hardest way to make money online. There aren't many chances to compete with stores like Amazon or eBay, but if we want to look at the bright side, I have to say that there are still online stores that are just starting out and getting their audience. This method requires complete planning, but you can build and grow your own store by selling special products. Blogging. Maybe you are a hairdresser. You can post your knowledge about hair, cosmetics, and everything you think is a question for women in your blog. The content you produce for your blog should be useful and at least help solve one of the audience's problems and concerns. Once a blog is popular, make money by consulting, selling your product, or introducing others. To see our next videos, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that when we upload a video, you will be the first to see it. We would also like to know your feedback. Please leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. Stay home these days and stay healthy. We are all together.